It's here. Officially, this is something we've been working on for a long time, and I am super excited to share it with you because this, inside this package, is something amazing. At Codefresh, we have this whole program where we encourage people to become Argo maintainers, Argo contributors. We want people to be engaged in open source. And so this is something we do for our employees, our engineers, our evangelists, our solutions architects, basically anybody in the company. Hey, you just want to write documentation, you can do that. So this box is the contributor box. This is the swag you get when you reach that contributor level. And to do this, all you have to do is a couple commits. You need to make three commits onto the Argo project, and this is the box you get. And I'm really excited to open this for you. You can see it's got a lovely Argo on it. So let's open this bad boy up, and we'll go through and start looking at what comes in the Argo package. So I got my trusty knife here. We're gonna see what's in here. Whoa. It is a very large box with what appear to be a great many objects. There is an envelope here congratulating me on becoming a contributor. So this is pretty cool. Nice little note of appreciation from the CEO, the Chief Open Source Officer, me, and Sasha. So it's nice, our VP of Engineering. Let's start with this guy. This one, this looks like a mug. So let's open this up. This is the Argo mug. This is the contributor mug. This is the mug you get when you become a contributor of the Argo project. This is something we do for Codefresh employees, though sometimes we do give away swag like this to just general contributors or maintainers within the Argo project who aren't necessarily Codefresh people. But the best way to get it is to become a Codefresh employee. We're recruiting like crazy. We're hiring like crazy. We're looking for talented people. If you're passionate about Argo, come and check us out. But Argo mug, brilliant. And this looks really good. It's got a Codefresh on the back, Argo on the front. Check that out. And I like that it's a tall mug. Like, I have another mug here, like a Codefresh mug, and it's like a smaller one. And I love that this one is tall. And it's got kind of this like camping top. So you can kind of, it's like a little sip top if you got hot drinks, coffee, whatever. And that is just beautiful. Look at that. I mean, the light is like gleaming off of it. It's too shiny. Beautiful mug. Okay, cool. I'm excited to sip on this in Argo calls, in the maintainer sessions and whatnot. Very nice. Okay, so we got the Argo mug. We've got a Rubik's Cube. This is a Argo. There's a little hiding Argo there. There's the Kubernetes. There's Codefresh. There's another Codefresh side. Very cool custom Rubik's Cube. Oh, the last side is a Git logo. Nice. And it comes with this little like stand, I guess, to display it. Is probably how this works. I don't know. I'll have to fiddle with this a little bit, but very cool little trinket. Next up, there's some big stuff in here, and I'm kind of saving it. But let's go to this guy. We've got, I think we gave these away at KubeCon last time. These are little, they're kind of like AirTags, but they're little Codefresh branded ones. Those are nice. It comes with a little leather carrier. Throw that on your keys. Pretty slick. Okay, stickers. And the sticker section here looks really cool. We've got the hiding Argo. So you stick this on like the bottom of your laptop, so like Argo's like peeking up, you know. You've got the green Kubernetes, sort of a Codefresh spin. You've got little Argo guy and a badge of honor, open source contributor Codefresh badge. So you can throw that on your laptop or whatever and show off that you're an open source contributor. Now, I mean, those things are already pretty cool, but now we get to the big stuff. Actually, no, before we do this one, there's one other thing in here. Okay, this is pretty cool. These are really neat. If someone just told me what this was, I would be like, it's just a wireless charger, right? But this is actually really cool. It's really nice. It's very premium. It comes in this cool like package, and you open this bad boy up, and this is a leather. You know, you can put this on your nightstand. Put your phone here, and it will charge it wirelessly, or your AirPods or whatever. And then you can put your keys and your wallet and whatever else right here. And so you just put this on your nightstand. Keeps everything organized. Very nice, very like premium, nice leather thing. And now it's time for the coup de grace here. Okay, lastly, we have a Kikron K8 keyboard, and I'm gonna move the box out of the way. It's the last, yeah, it's the last item. And this keyboard, I'm very excited about this because this is something we've wanted to do for a long time, a branded mechanical keyboard with custom Argo styling. So I haven't seen it. Jenny and the team has been working really hard on this to put it together, and I'm really excited to see what it looks like. Okay, let's open this bad boy up. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, wow. And it has, yeah, it has some really cool touches. So this keyboard is gorgeous. And these are, I believe these are cherry brown switches. They kind of, you can kind of hear it. They're a little bit softer than like the cherry reds. So a little bit more pleasant to type on. At least I prefer slightly quieter keys. But a very nice feeling mechanical keyboard. And the branding on it is really cool. And it comes with some additional keycaps. But there is a custom Argo key, escape key. Look at that. This guy is a little 3D. I guess it's probably 3D printed or something, but it's multiple colors. It's a little 3D Argo on the escape key. And it doesn't mess up the key. It's actually, key height is really nice. Feels really good. That's super cool. You've got a little Codefresh key here, and then you've got the little hiding Argo, and then this styling blue key. Very nice, and it comes with some additional keycaps. Looks like some additional Codefresh keycaps, and then there's some orange ones on here too, which I'm kind of, oh my gosh, I'm dropping them. It comes with some orange keycaps as well, so you can switch those out and have some, you know, that's some additional Argo branding, I suppose. An extra Argo key here, so you want to swap out like your Windows key, your other Windows key. Because I think I would probably replace, yeah, I'll swap out and just have it be my Windows keys, I think, because I think that'll look nice. And you've got some other Codefresh ones, and then your you know, your keycap remover. So this is the package for our contributor level. If you join the Codefresh Maintainers Club, you start contributing to Argo. To get this package, it's like it's not that many commits. It's only a couple of commits to become a contributor. So it's not that hard to do, to be honest. And to get a custom keyboard out of it, and this is a Bluetooth keyboard. You can plug it in, plus the mug, plus the, you know, the key finder, plus the stickers. Like, this is super, super cool. So join the Maintainers Club. If you're a Codefresh employee, join the Maintainers Club and start contributing to Argo. And I was talking about this package coming the other day to another Argo maintainer, and they were saying, well, that sounds really cool, but it's too bad I don't work for Codefresh. And I said, you know, if a maintainer came to Codefresh, we'd probably give them a pretty sweet package too anyway. So, you know, something to think about. But super nice. So that is the contributor level of the Codefresh Maintainers Club. And excited to send these out to people. A lot of people have already qualified for it, and I see more and more people getting into it every day, and very excited to use this keyboard. And I'm going to take a lot of pictures and post them because this thing is gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Thanks.